In today's AI world, everyone creating app and website by using the powerful AI tools. So we will use the Notebook LM and the Google AI Studio to access the powerful AI model Gemini 2.5 Pro model to create our app. So first open this website notebooklm.google.com, then click on here, try Notebook LM, create new notebook, and we will use this feature to collect our requirement, discover sources. So I will create a daily habit tracker app. So I given this prompt like in daily habit tracker app, what problem faced by most of the user, then submit. It will collect all the resources from the internet. So it found the 10 resources for our app. So we will import all the resources. It imported all the resources and created this high level summary for all the resources. Now we will give the prompt to create a requirement based on these resources. So can you provide the solution for all the problems and give the requirement for the daily habit tracker app accordingly. So it will automatically create the requirement for our app. It created the requirement for our app. So we will copy this requirement from here and we'll go to the Google AI Studio. From here we will select the Gemini 2.5 Pro model. We will use the Flash model because it is a thinking model. So I will use this Flash model and enable the thinking mode. Here we will give the requirement. First give this prompt like create a daily habit tracker app based on the below requirement and also create a single HTML file for all the codes. Now we will copy this requirement from here, Notebook LM, and we'll paste here. Run. Based on our requirement, it created the code. So we will download this code and we will test this code. So it created this website Resilient Habit. It's showing the today's date. And here we can add our new habit like learn Python. We can give the reason why we need to learn Python due to AI. We can set the frequency. We can set the reminder time. Then save the habit. It will show the habits and it will show all the details like we can edit this habit from here. And if we want to delete this habit, we can delete from here. It will show the streaks, best streaks and consistency. From here also we can change the mode, night mode and day mode. Once it is done, we can mark OK. So it is showing the consistency is 100% and today it is showing the green, means it is completed. Streak is 1, best streak is 1. From here we can add the more new habits. This way you can also create a own website and app by using AI.